Imagine a world 25 light-years away, orbiting one of the brightest stars in our night sky, a mysterious speck of light that captivated astronomers and sparked dreams of alien planets. This is Fomalhaut b, once hailed as the first exoplanet ever photographed in visible light, a cosmic celebrity named Dagon. Discovered in 2008, it promised to rewrite our understanding of planetary systems. But here's the twist. What if it's not a planet at all? What if this glowing enigma is something else entirely? A fleeting cloud of dust from a catastrophic collision. In this documentary, we'll journey through the rise and fall of Fomalhaut b's planetary status, from its dazzling debut to the latest revelations that turn science on its head. Why does it matter? Because this tale isn't just about one object. It's about how we chase the unknown, piecing together the universe one mystery at a time. Was Fomalhaut b a planet, a mirage, or a clue to something bigger? Let's dive into the cosmic detective story that's still unfolding. The story of Fomalhaut b begins with a star, Fomalhaut, a brilliant A-type giant in the constellation Piscis Austrinus, 25 light-years from Earth. Known since antiquity, it's one of the sky's brightest beacons, surrounded by a vast ring of dust and debris, a cosmic halo stretching 34.5 billion kilometers across. In the early 2000s, astronomers turned their eyes to this ring, suspecting it hid secrets. Its sharp inner edge and off-center shape hinted at a massive planet sculpting it, tugging at the dust like a gravitational artist. Enter Paul Cullis, an astronomer at UC Berkeley, and his team. In 2008, using the Hubble Space Telescope's advanced camera for surveys, they spotted something extraordinary in images from 2004 and 2006, a faint dot moving near the ring's inner edge. On November 13th, NASA unveiled the discovery, Fomalhaut b, the first exoplanet candidate imaged in visible light. "I nearly had a heart attack," Cullis recalled, confirming it orbits its star. Estimated at 17 billion kilometers from Fomalhaut, with an orbit of 1,700 years, it was a sensation. This wasn't just luck, it built on decades of exoplanet breakthroughs. The 1990s saw radial velocity detect wobbling stars, revealing gas giants. Then came transit methods, spotting shadows as planets crossed their stars. Fomalhaut b was different, direct imaging, a holy grail of astronomy. Named Dagon in 2015 via the IU's public vote, it symbolized a leap forward. But doubts crept in. Why didn't infrared telescopes like Spitzer see it? Was it really a planet? Or had we misread the clues? The discovery electrified the field, promising insights into how planets formed far from their stars. Yet, as data piled up, the narrative shifted. Fomalhaut b wasn't just a find. It was a test of our tools, our theories, and our imagination. Let's dig into Fomalhaut b. What was it, and why did it captivate us? Initially, it was pegged as a gas giant, maybe 3 times Jupiter's mass, orbiting 17 billion kilometers from Fomalhaut. Its brightness at visible wavelengths, 0.6 and 0.8 micrometers, suggested a planet with a dusty ring scattering starlight, plus some thermal glow. Cullis's team calculated its 1,700-year orbit, a slow dance through a debris field 25 Australian dollars wide. It seemed to explain the ring's eccentric shape, a planet clearing a path, like a cosmic plow. But the plot thickened. Infrared observations from Spitzer in 2008 and later ground-based telescopes couldn't detect it. A planet that massive should have glowed in infrared. Jupiter-sized worlds radiate heat. If it's a planet, said astronomer Marcus Janssen, it's oddly cold or small, less than Jupiter's mass. This sparked debate. Was it Neptune-sized world or something else? The team proposed it might be shrouded in dust, dimming its heat signature. By 2012, Hubble confirmed its motion. 2 positions, 2004 and 2006, proving it orbited Fomalhaut. Excitement peaked. But then came 2019 and a bombshell from Andres Gasper in George Rico. Analyzing new Hubble data, they found Fomalhaut b fading and expanding, hallmarks of a dust cloud, not a planet. It's debris from a massive collision, Gasper said. Maybe two 200-kilometer planetesimals smashing apart. The cloud, they estimated, was $1 Australian across and on an escape trajectory, destined to leave the system. This flipped the script. Fomalhaut B wasn't sculpting the ring, it was born from it. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, sealed the deal in 2023. Its MIRI instrument, peering at 25.5 micrometers, saw nothing where Fomalhaut B should be. It's not massive enough to detect, said JWST researcher Kate Sue. It's a dispersing cloud, not a planet. Yet, JWST spotted a new twist, an intermediate dust belt, possibly shaped by an unseen planet closer in. Could this ghost world be the real ring shaper? Let's break it down. The dust cloud theory fits the data. Brightness from scattered light, no infrared glow, and an expanding shape. Statistics back it up. Collisions and debris disks aren't rare. In our Kuiper belt, we'd expect one every million years. Fomalhaut's young. For 40-million-year-old system is ripe for such chaos. It's a snapshot of planet formation, Sue notes, a violent nursery. But if Fomalhaut B isn't the ring's architect, where's the real culprit? The climax hits here. Fomalhaut B isn't a planet. It's a clue, pointing to a hidden world we've yet to find. It's 2025, and Fomalhaut B's story has taken a sharp turn. Once a poster child for exoplanet imaging, it's now a dust cloud, a relic of a cosmic crash. JWST's 2023 observations confirmed it. No infrared signal, just a fading smear of debris. It's on its way out, says Andres Gasper. In a few decades, it'll be gone. This shift has reframed the Fomalhaut system as a lab for studying planetesimal collisions, not stable planets. But the plot's not over. JWST revealed an intermediate dust belt, 15 Australian dollars from the star, suggesting an unseen planet. Call it Fomalhaut C. Might be at work. We're seeing shepherding. Kate Sue explains, like Saturn's rings. The challenge? Spotting it. Fomalhaut's glare drowns out faint signals, and current tech struggles at small separations. Ground-based searches like those with the Atacama Large Millimeter Array have come up empty so far. Today, Fomalhaut B is a benchmark for misidentification, proof we can be fooled by dust masquerading as planets. Over 5,000 exoplanets are known, but direct imaging remains rare, with only dozens confirmed. Fomalhaut's debris disk, one of the best studied, keeps evolving. The trend? More collisions, more dust, and a hunt for the real planetary players. What's next for Fomalhaut B, where its dusty remains? By 2050, it may vanish, scattered beyond detection. But the system's future is alive with possibility. Next-gen telescopes, like the extremely large telescope, could spot that elusive Fomalhaut C. If it's there, says Paul Cullis, it's likely 1 to 10 Jupiter masses closer in. Imaging it could confirm how debris rings form and evolve. Long-term, Fomalhaut's youth promises more chaos. Collisions could spawn new clouds, where the disk might settle as planets stabilize. It's a dynamic system, Sue predicts. We might catch another event. Some speculate a habitable world could lurk farther out, beyond JWST's reach. Pure sci-fi for now, but tantalizing. Fomalhaut B's legacy? It's a stepping stone. By teaching us to question, it sharpens our hunt for true exoplanets. Could it lead us to life elsewhere? The answers are out there, waiting in the dust and light. Fomalhaut B started as a planet, dazzled us with possibility, and ended as dust, a cosmic tale of discovery and doubt. We've learned it's not a world, but a collision's echo, fading into the void 25 light-years away. Its story, from Hubble's first glimpse to JWST's final word, shows science at its rawest, chasing truth through uncertainty. Visuals, Earth from space, Fomalhaut's faint glow in the distance. Narrator, what sticks with us? That a single that rewrote our view of a star system, hinting at unseen planets and violent Earths. It's a reminder, the universe is messy beautiful and full of surprises. So, gaze up at Fomalhaut next time it shines. Think of the dust that fooled us and wonder what else awaits.